Excuse me. Hi.
Hi.
I'm a little sleepy. What were you gonna talk about?
I forgot.
We're gonna talk about that.
Yeah.
How, like, sometimes, like, when you go take a dump, has that ever happened where, like, you take a dump and then all of a sudden, like, you look in the toilet and it's, like, nothing?
Disappeared.
You're just like, what the heck? Like, you could have sworn that you, like, you took a dump, but, like, when you look in the toilet, like, there's, like, nothing there.
Random.
Like, remember when Samantha's fish died?
Yeah.
It was about pouring out the fish. Like, I watched her pour down the fish in the toilet. And then all of a sudden, I look in the toilet, and I'm like, where'd the fish go? And I'm just like, it disappeared. And I'm like, where'd it go? And then, like, I just started laughing, and then she started laughing, and then Courtney was all like, hey, do you know, like, how, like, when you look in the toilet, and, like, if you take a crap and, like, it's not there, just, like, I'm like, yeah, I know. And then she's like, oh my god, me too. And then we were just laughing.
Good conversation.
I just think it's kind of weird. Like, where does it go? Is it, like, literally big, like, just, like, all the way go? Or it just, like, I don't know, like, where
It just goes in.
it just goes in because it's, like, so heavy. Because it, like, took a really, really big dump. I'd be kind of scared if I took, like, a really, really big dump. And, like, I looked in the toilet and there was, like, nothing there. I'll probably think it was, like, a worm or something.
The worm, it moves.
It moved. I used to think that I had worms. But I looked in the toilet. It was like there. I feel weird talking about this.
Me too.
So what do we call this video? When poop.
I'm tired from the whole game.
My medicine's making me sleepy. You know, the reason why I only take it at night is because when I took it in the morning, like, I got really tired and sleepy, and, like, when I felt I was like ground and down, so I had to, like, take me to school. I was just really tired. It was retarded. So, Courtney.
Tomorrow's homecoming dance.
Yeah.
Right, are you done?
No. Talk about, like, the most random things.
Right.
So, you're going with Joe.
No, I'm not.
Joe Mama.
No, I'm not.
I'm going with who? Christian?
Christian. FML.
What happened?
The computer wants to restart, and I'm getting text messages.
Joe?
No, Stephanie.
I'm tired.
Dude. Oh man. Oh wait, I can't give out numbers. Oh, okay.
Who's that? It's Joe. Joe Mama.
FML.
Oh, I said, hey, Joe Mama.
Miss Mika, hello. You need something in your hair. Let's show them pretty face. Oh, look at the baby. I think we should make a video, like a contest with what's the most ugliest face and whatnot.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna do that video now. Okay, we're gonna go now.
Bye.
Bye.